This message is for that school in your district. Educators, I just want to present a quick challenge. I want you to think about 5 students. The 5 students that, in a quiet place where nobody heard you say it out loud, that might be deemed tough to love. These are also probably the same 5 students who least expect anyone to give half a damn about what's going on in their lives. But I'm going to challenge you to do just that. Identify 5 students who would least expect it, can often be tough to love, and I mean they do things to earn that. And take a couple of moments this week to be genuinely curious, whether you're asking about where they live, what they like to do, what makes them tick, what they're excited about, just something non-school related, non-academic related. Just be genuinely curious. And when I say genuine, you may have to step back and kind of reflect on that student and figure out what authentic questions you can ask. Be interested rather than interesting. Every student, every person needs someone to see them.